Phase 4. After downloading the updated file and importing it into BigCommerce, we noticed extra rows appearing. Product descriptions that contained HTML bullet lists were being split across multiple rows. Here is why and how PapaParse fixes it completely. Here is the product description for the purple mother of pearl necklace. It is a single cell containing HTML bullet list items with new lines inside the quotes. This is perfectly valid, but our handwritten parser split on every new line character, turning one product row into 7 rows on import. The root cause is that our handwritten parser did text.split on new line. It had no awareness of whether a new line was inside a quoted field or between fields. PapaParse uses a proper state machine. It knows that a new line inside double quotes is part of the cell value, not a row separator. The fix is 2 lines of difference. Import PapaParse instead of the custom parser, and use papa.parse with quotes set to true when writing the output. This array quotes every single field, so new lines inside HTML descriptions are safely enclosed in double quotes and BigCommerce imports them as one cell. There is an important safety rule when building the output file. Always spread the original row object first, then overwrite only the 4 SEO columns. Descriptions, images, variants, and prices pass through completely untouched. After import, the row count in BigCommerce should be identical to the original. Phase 4 is done. PapaParse now handles all reading and writing, and the output imports into BigCommerce without adding a single extra row. In Phase 5 we tackle the biggest operational challenge: what to do when the API credit limit is hit mid-run.